Shenzhen Yifang Tianyu Trading Company Limited is a trade company we cooperation with Guangdong Jiayi United Digital Technology Company Limited. It is a high-tech enterprise with independent intellectual property rights, professional R&D, production and sales of digital inkjet printing machine, brought together the national digital inkjet industry talents to create 4 series of products: Epson inkjet printer, UV flatbed, UV roll-to-roll, Sublimation Direct Printing Machine. It has provide a mature application solutions for advertising, digital 3C products, glass, tiles, leather, textile, decorative building materials, and etc. Our product are exported to Europe, the Americas, the Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, China, more than 50 countries and regions, and establish a good customer reputation and brand image. The other hand, our main products include printhead, ink pump, sub-tank, solenoid valve, ink tube, filter, etc. They are widely used in large format inkjet printing. All make sure our high quality and perfect service. By our constantly exploration and great effort, our products have received international authorization and good reputation. In the last few years, our products have been sold to more than 70 countries in the world. The company always adhere to the people-oriented, quality first, reputation as the most important, service business philosophy to create a digital printing industry outstanding team, to do the industry-stable high-quality digital printing equipment, to meet customer satisfaction. Let the product cover the whole world.